So let's look at this in, this is called, a naming convention. A naming convention, or a part number convention, where the part number that you give something means something. And so when I read this part number, it's going to say, oh, the part number is going to say D2, which is 0.469, by whatever the length is, 1.125. So my part number becomes D2 0.469 by 1.125, because I read those out of my transfer shaft. So, this is just logical organization. And my guess is that you've done some of this stuff. Sorry, here it is. You've done this in Design 310 or 328. If I say the part number is D2 by D1, you would look up D2 and D1 and create your part number from it. So it's a naming convention. And all the rest of the way down, every time you put a part number in, it's going to be D2 by D1. Okay? It's always going to be the naming convention. And so when you come down to part 5, you're going to give a part name, whatever your D2 is, by 1. And then the next one will be D2 by 1.25. The next one will be D2 by 2.25. Cool? And so forevermore after this, if I say make a new part number, you're supposed to be able to know the part number, because you'll look up those dimensions. Okay. And it says use the 3 shaft lengths from above. Use those shaft lengths. Okay. This is exactly how you would get trained in industry. Actually, it's not. You would not get trained. When I got my first job, the head drafter threw me the part number book and threw some drawings at me and said, get going. And I was doing gear drawings. And I just knew zero about gears. Thankfully, there were some people there that would help me along a little bit. Okay, so look at these things deeply. And you haven't had a chance to really look this one over yet. Okay, you haven't really had a chance. But I'm going to post this and I'll put the videos on each slide. Okay, but the goal here is understand a naming convention. Every line in the tabulated drawing has a part number, and the part number is named based on certain parameters in that transfer shaft file. Cool. Okay.